Well, it's time to test the outdoor appliances for 2020. So I guess we'll start with the fan. So let me come over here and we'll turn the light on. Yeah, it works. Oh, better shut it off for the fan, otherwise the entire video is ruined. So that one says fan. So here's high. That should be up to speed. Medium has a bit of a hum. But it works. And low, also a bit of a hum. And that's working fine. So we'll kill that. And now we'll move on to other stuff. TV. I think this Italian threw this out years ago, and I got it from him. So we'll turn on the cable box. First power up for 2020. Well, we have something. I don't know what it's doing. It says initializing. Screw all that. And put on something. It works. Excellent. It just has one speaker on the side. That's all it is. So that works. And the stereo. Well, it turned on. There is a display there if you can see it. No abnormal crackly sounds, although I think I have the channels bridged because it's sort of on its last legs. It always was when I got it, so we'll leave it there and try the computer. But before we go and do that, let's do the fridge, because that needs to run for a while. So I have this bottle in here to keep it open. I need to clean it, obviously. It's been sitting here all winter. Yes, the plastic has yellowed, and there is rust forming at the bottom somehow. So let me get this plugged in and we'll see if it gets cold later on. Best is in the fridge, that way you can hear it the best. So in you go, and I'll plug it in. Definitely sounds like it started. The microwave, the GE microwave. I know it works because I actually use it, even being outside, a lot more times than I do the one in the kitchen. Nothing wrong with the one in the kitchen except it stores bread stuff and other things that the Wittens like to get into. And yes, it's absolutely filthy. I know. Everything needs to be cleaned. But the inside is just, you know, normal cooking stuff. So let's go and open it. And we'll put in a glass of water. Remember, don't put it in the center for better heating. And we'll give that 3 minutes at power level 50. And actually, before I do that, I'll show you the temperature. 73.4.2. 73 is close enough, so we'll put that in. The plotter turning motor makes that. It's a little harder to hear with the magnetron off. So we'll let that cook. And while the microwave is going, we'll go ahead and turn the screen on. Good. Turn the computer on. I saw the keyboard lights blink. Oh yeah. We have power and we have post. A slow post, but a post. A really slow post. Okay, and yes, indeed. See if we get a startup sound to prove the stereo works. It works! Excellent! Oh yeah, it works! Susan! Well, it seems that something happened. It's certainly warm. So now we'll get the temperature of that. 118 degrees. So that certainly works. Of course, I only had it at 50% power, and this being a 6 or 700 watt microwave from October of 2008, it looks like. Should probably clean it. It's got stuff in there, but it works. Well, it looks like the picture slideshow is working as well. Wait for that picture to change. Yes, indeed. So we'll come over here because somebody has to be a pain about the telephone. So here it is, and we'll go ahead and call something.
Welcome to HP Customer Support.
It works.
Your call may...
So now we'll call it. And yes, I have it on that very, very shrill ringtone because that carries over far distance. So if I'm in the pool, I can hear it. Not that I'll necessarily be out of the pool in time to pick it up, but at least that way I'll know, and then I can see on the caller ID who called and whatnot. The air purifier was found thrown out and has dirty filters, and it was left in the rain, but it appears to work. The other neighbor is making fucking noise with the kids there, but let's test the heater. Uh-huh. Definitely is putting out heat. Try medium. Oh, good. So that works. And high. And I definitely feel it. So that's great. That still works. Excellent. And the fridge will have to go into the ice room. Oh yeah, it's definitely cold. Definitely still works. So that's great. So everything in here works. Everything made it. That's great. Even the fridge. Very happy to know that. The barbecue will be the subject of another video because that has its own couple of stories. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you hit like, make sure you hit subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.